Wow. You get what you pay for.
You do. They're a really good pair of yoga pants.
Hmm.
Keep you nice and cool and dry. The fabric is incredible. It never pinches anywhere.
Wow. It's like they were woven right on you
that,
or
like,
something.
Weird muffin top from them. Because there's not a top seam, which is really nice.
Aha.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah, probably couldn't do any better if you like hired little friendly spiders, friendly tame spiders to knit you a pair right on you.
Probably not, because it wouldn't be elastic.
Spider webs are pretty stretchy.
I guess so. And it'd be really cool.
Oh. I'm getting great footage of leaves and bark right now.
Why are you still doing that?
Because I'm holding it
Oh.
and it does it by itself. But before these trees right here, it was interesting stuff. This is just the trailer on the movie for today. In post, I'll put in recipes over this. I forget which movie it was the first time I saw that. At the end of the movie, in the trailers, they threw in recipes for brownies and stuff like that.
Pineapple Express?
I just don't know. That you know, yeah, I could see that. Pineapple Express, that was the one with maybe, was it Mel Gibson? Or, no, Johnny Jr.?
Huh?
Robert Downey Jr.?
No.
Different. No, that was Air America.
Pineapple Express is about weed.
Oh, okay.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Well, it's not really about weed. It's based around weed, but they like accidentally witness a murder, and then they have to like run from these people. It's hilarious. It really is one of the funniest movies of all time.
Yeah, that usually is. That's typical for seeing a murderer and running away from people. You know, you can't hardly beat that for laughs. Ah. You know, all the times I've been out here, I've brought home lots of stuff, but I don't think I've successfully brought home that many burrs. Burrs, whatever kind of little burrs those are.
Yeah, quite a bit of them.
Wow, congratulations. You're the winner. This is that thing. It doesn't have one of them on it. It's that one of those silky plants.